How to add your own music to Instagram post. This tutorial shows you how to upload custom audio and use it in your Instagram post by creating a workaround with 2 accounts on your Android device. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your main account where you want to upload the custom music. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. Following that, tap on Reel to create a new reel. Now, select any video from your gallery or record a simple video. The video content doesn't matter since we're only using this to upload the audio. Tap Next at the bottom right corner. Moving forward, tap on the music icon or Add Music at the top. Look for Import Audio or Add from Device option. Tap on it to access your phone's audio files. Afterwards, browse and select the custom music file you want to use. Choose your song from your device storage. Tap Done or Add after selecting your music. The custom audio is now added to your reel. Add a caption if you want and tap Next. Tap Share to post a reel to your profile. Your reel with custom audio is now live on your first account. Now switch to your second Instagram account. Tap on your profile icon and select Switch Accounts. Choose your second account from the list. Go back to your first account's profile. Find the reel you just posted with your custom music. Tap on it to open the reel. Look at the bottom left corner where the audio name is displayed. Tap on the audio name to go to the audio page. You'll now see the audio track page with your custom music. Tap on Use Audio at the bottom. Select the reel or post depending on what you want to create. Now you can create a new post or reel using your own custom music. Select your content, edit it, and post as normal. Your custom audio is now available to use on your second account. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you add your own music to Instagram post, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.